Hey, today I'm going to try something. I'm going to figure out this viral $1 million spaghetti dinner. It's going to be my first time at it, but I do think that from what I know, it fairly seems easy, very economical to make, and it's going to feed a crowd. So let's get into it. We begin by boiling our water and cooking our noodles to the package instructions. Meanwhile, we're going to start to brown our ground beef. In a separate bowl, we're going to add the cream cheese, sour cream, and our cottage cheese, and we're going to mix that to combine all of those ingredients very, very well. Now listen, you got to stay with me here. We're going to check out this whole viral recipe together. We're going to see what comes of this. So far, so good. Okay, the next step is it looks like our hamburger is browned. So now we're going to add our spaghetti sauce to the hamburger, which seems pretty easy so far. So there's one can. And I'm going to add the remnants of another can as well, just to make it saucy, if you know what I mean. I'm going to give that a good stir. And then I'm going to take a 9x13 dish, and I'm going to take the stick of butter and cut the stick of butter into pads, as you can see here. And I'm only going to use half of the pads of butter on the bottom of the dish. Now we're going to get ready to build this recipe. We're going to take half of the meat sauce and we're going to place it on the bottom of the 9x13 pan on top of the butter pads, just like I am doing here. Next, we are going to take half of the pasta and place that on top of the meat sauce. So I'm getting about half of that pasta out of my bowl here. It's all cooked, and I'm going to lay that evenly in the 9x13. Now we have all of that cheese mixture. So the instructions are telling us now to place the cheese on top of the cooked noodles. And we're going to kind of spread it out a little bit. You can't push too hard, it's going to get messy and disrupt our layers. Now comes the rest of that butter. And then the last layer is the meat sauce. So we're going to kind of spread that out as evenly as we can. We're going to cook it at 350 degrees, and we're going to put it in the oven uncovered for 30 minutes. Right now I'm going to pop up a recipe card for you so you can take a quick screenshot. And if you love and like cooking with me as much as I love spending time cooking with you, hit that like and subscribe button so we can see a little bit more of each other. Now I'm going to get ready to take this recipe out of the oven after 30 minutes. And when we take it out of the oven, we're going to place the cheddar cheese on top. So let's do that now, and let's hang tight. We're going to see how this recipe turns out. Okay, so we're adding the last layer here. We've taken the spaghetti bake out of the oven. We're placing the cheddar cheese on top. And if you like cheese as much as we do, you can add a little bit extra cheese on there. We're going to place it back into the oven at 350 degrees, uncovered for about 15 minutes, or until that cheese melts, looks good, the way that you would like it. Okay, here we have the remaining piece of our $1 million viral baked spaghetti, because my family ate the whole pan, and I secured one piece so that I could finish this video. And I'm laughing inside, kind of. Anyways, let's take a bite. I mean, it is absolutely delicious. You've got to make this one. I can see why now it has gone viral and everybody's crazy about it. It's delicious. Oh yeah. A blend of all of those cheeses that we put together, the noodles, the sauce, all that hard cheddar cheese on top. It is the perfect pasta bake. You're going to love this one. I'll see you next time. Take care.